The big focus in the days to come from Uttar Pradesh. Remember, in the past few weeks, we have looked at surveys, excavations, details where once a temple stood and that there was an Hindu exodus. Now we are looking at Yogi Adityanath, looking at more relics. Yogi Adityanath says the search is on for 50 more pilgrim sites. Found just 18 of 68 pilgrim sites in Sambhal. They are looking at Sambhal, remember, with the historic connections to also call it as the town of Kalki. And therefore, with the Hindu civilizational references coming in here, does Yogi Adityanath have a certain plan? Let's listen in.
देखिए, संभल एक सच्चाई है और मैं बार बार कहता हूं इस बारे में। देखिए, मैं एक योगी हूं, हर पंथ संप्रदाय उपासना विधि का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जबरन किसी पे कब्जा करके किसी की आस्था को रौंदे तो यह स्वीकार्य नहीं, ये कतई स्वीकार्य नहीं है। खासतौर पर तब संभल एक सच्चाई है, संभल का महत्व। संभल एक तीर्थ रहा है, 68 तीर्थ थे वहां पे, अभी हम केवल 18 निकाल पाए हैं वहां पे। जो हमारे कार्य चल रहे हैं 18 हम निकाल पाए हैं। 19 स्तूप थे, 19 के 19 स्तूप हम लोगों ने निकाल लिए हैं, जिसमें उत्खनन का काम हम करा रहे हैं। आपने देखा होगा 56 वर्ष के बाद पहली बार वहां शिव के मंदिर, भगवान शिव के मंदिर में जलाभिषेक का कार्य हो पाया है। क्या कर रहे थे लोग? जो ठेका ले लिए हैं तमाम जाति के नाम पे बांटने का, क्या कर रहे थे वहां पे?
Samarth Srivastava joining me for the latest on that. Samarth, tell me this, because this takes us back to the days when there was the survey, the excavations, communal tensions. What are you picking up about this new plan of Yogi Adityanath?
Well, exactly. CM Yogi Adityanath has made it clear that he won't stop here. We see many pilgrimage sites have been found in Sambhal in the past week, and now he says that we have been able to find around 18 pilgrimage sites in Sambhal, because Sambhal is something which has a history since 1191 or before that, since the time of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, and we saw that the monuments we found below the ground had resemblance with the time of Prithviraj Chauhan. Then Muhammad Gauri and Prithviraj Chauhan had fought a battle of Tehran or before that. So that's what CM Yogi Adityanath is referring to. He even says that if anybody will try to invade our land, they'll have to pay the price. So we won't be something to stand and just watch what's happening here. He also stresses on a point of Aurangzeb. He says whosoever is supporting Aurangzeb or trying to make him a hero couldn't be an Indian. He even refers to the Indonesia president's statement where he says if the DNA of Indonesians will be tested, it will be found that they are somewhere and somehow connected to the Indians, because the ideology of Indians and Indonesians have been same for years. Even we see during the Ram Leela, it also happens in Indonesia. So CM Yogi Adityanath in a way also taking on the opposition, which is trying to manifest that particular situation in Sambhal, while on the other hand saying that the UP government is stressing on the point to find more pilgrimage sites, because this is just the start. He mentions that a total of 68 pilgrimage sites were existed in Sambhal, and we have been able to find 18 till now. So it seems that the government or administration in the Sambhal won't stop here. They'll be taking the help from the ASI and many historians as well, because as per many historians, Sambhal has a history. Many also believe that it was also the capital during the time of Prithviraj Chauhan, though the books have different values.